In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Windows. If you use Slack regularly, installing the desktop app can give you a smoother and more reliable experience than keeping it open in a browser tab. The Windows app is typically more responsive, supports system notifications more cleanly, and makes it easier to launch Slack quickly whenever you start your computer. In this walkthrough, we'll use the official standalone installer from Slack's website, which is one of the most dependable ways to get the latest stable version installed. To begin, open your web browser and go to Slack's official Windows download page at slack.com/downloads/windows. Once the page loads, look for the button labeled download.exe 64-bit and click it. If your computer uses an ARM-based version of Windows, such as certain newer devices, choose the ARM64 option shown just below the main download button instead. When your browser asks where to save the file, save the installer, usually called slacksetup.exe, to your downloads folder so it's easy to find. After the download finishes, open File Explorer and go to your downloads folder. Find slacksetup.exe and double-click it to start the installation. You may see a Windows security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If that appears, click Yes to continue. From there, Slack handles the setup automatically in the background. You usually won't need to click through a long installation wizard. In just a few moments, the Slack application should open on its own. Once the app launches, click the Sign into Slack button on the main screen. Slack will then open your default web browser so you can verify your account and connect your workspace. From there, select your workspace if it appears, or sign in using your email or Google account, depending on how you normally access Slack. After signing in, your browser may display a pop-up asking whether it should open Slack on your computer. Click Open Slack or Allow to send you back into the desktop app and complete the connection. As a final recommended step, you can pin Slack to your taskbar for quick access. Look at the bottom of your screen for the Slack icon in the Windows taskbar. Right-click the icon, then select Pin to Taskbar. That way, even if you close the app, the shortcut stays there so you can reopen Slack with a single click. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.